back, I'm going to show you the Gerber 12-in-1 multi-tool here. This is, I think, one of the best multi-tools I've ever used. It's really versatile, it's really high quality. When you lock it in place, it won't go anywhere. Like, I can use this bottle opener here, and it lets me push the other one down. So it's really handy in that regard. And on first notice, when you unfold everything with all your tools inside, it's a set of pliers here. So you've got your textured needle nose grip in here, and then you also have a wire cutter on the innermost part there, which I find really neat. And then you have another textured surface right here for gripping and turning things and stuff like that. So currently this knife is 40% off on Amazon. It normally goes for $50, but it's been marked down to $29.99, so it's a really good deal if you're able to find it for a decent price. Getting into the set, you got the saw in here, nice long blade, serrated, pretty sharp, good for cutting thin rope or twine or something like that. This one is actually a can opener, so I'll give you a closer look as to what that looks like. So I'm guessing it allows you to, so I'm guessing how you use this is you dig into a can or the top of a lid like this on the edge, and you just pull around it and just turn the can as you go. And then you use this part to grab the lip of your can and pull the lid right off. Makes it really easy. Small flathead screwdriver. There's a little tip right there. Our scissors. And then let me just open this up again. It's as simple as taking your metal right here and just unfolding it like that. So this again you can use for string, small twine, and cutting stuff like that. If you want to cut paper, snip like that. Really effective. The most common things like knives, saws, scissors, screwdrivers can all be right here in a small scale format. A larger, more powerful saw, it's got more blades. If you want to cut like tougher material, you want to make deeper cuts, that's what this is for. Phillips head screwdriver, again, really small. Yeah, this is a cross driver is what this is, what they call this on the Amazon listing page. So yeah, just looks like that. Looks real neat. Little edges right here, just make them easier to grab so you're not reaching into the knife and you don't accidentally cut yourself on something sharp. So that really comes in handy. Is the large flathead driver. So as you can see, it's much wider. See, compared to my finger here, you can see it's much larger. So that'd be for screws about yay big. That will fit in there. I would say it's about 1/4 of an inch wide there at the widest. So for bigger, of course bigger screws that you want to use, yeah, that's where this would come in. And the last thing is the knife, because every good multi-tool has to have a knife. I can just guide it through. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Real nice. And so yeah, you get a good cut in there. You can saw like that. So I stick it in there. And yeah, this is only paper, but still, just want to show you. Yeah, the most important thing is you protect these. You keep them clean. And the higher the quality, the longer they last. Alright, so that's about every tool you can find in your Gerber 12-in-1 multi-tool, complete with pliers and all of the tools you see in these two handles. And when you're done using it, you can fold it up, snaps together like that, and it goes back in the pocket. So in terms of usefulness, I've found this very useful just because it's so small and there's a lot you can do with it. I haven't had to use every single tool in this thing, but if you're ever out and you need like a bottle opener or scissors and you don't have anything, like say you're out camping, this would be the perfect solution for that. Yeah, the build quality is one of the best I've seen in a pocket knife. So yeah, you can pick up one of these in either Amazon or REI or any hardware store that might sell these. So yeah, I think it's well worth the money. Even if you don't find yourself using it that often, it's just, oh, where was, like, say you don't have a bottle opener. Well, this would just take care of it. But yeah, on the Gerber Gear website, there are a lot of different options for multi-tools, so even if you don't need all of this stuff, you can get a simpler version or a more cost-effective version depending on what you're looking for. So yeah, you have ones with different textures, ones with different colors. So this is the black and gray model. That's the most common one you'll find, but there's, looking on the Gerber website, there is like a gray, all gray steel version of their multi-tool. Well, I think I'm going to sign off for now. Thank you for watching.